Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping ActiveSync so files don't change mid-process. Open OneDrive from the taskbar, click Help in Settings and choose Settings. On the Accounts tab, pick Unlink this PC or sign out for your personal account. This detaches credentials from Windows. Pause syncing first to prevent partial uploads or duplicate files. Once done, close the OneDrive app and confirm it's not running in the system tray before moving to the next removal steps. Now remove local traces and verify account deletion. In OneDrive settings, confirm the personal account is gone. Also check Windows Settings Accounts Email and Accounts for any remaining credentials. Make sure you move or back up the OneDrive folder from File Explorer if you need those files locally. Otherwise, delete or rename the folder. If you want OneDrive uninstalled, go to Windows Settings Apps, Installed Apps. Locate Microsoft OneDrive and choose Uninstall. This removes the app but not cloud data. Finish by rebooting Windows to clear cache tokens and finalize unlinking. After restart, check File Explorer for any leftover OneDrive icon or folder and remove shortcuts. If the personal account still prompts, open Control Panel Credential Manager and delete any OneDrive or Microsoft account entries. This forces Windows to forget saved credentials. Make sure to run disk cleanup or manually remove temporary OneDrive entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.